The world is your home, Lord, our heart is your home. A heart full of love, Lord, my heart is your home. We are the children, children of Sai. 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 Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Love all, serve all is your call. Love if you can, hurt no one in despair. For you are the Father and we are the children, children of Sai. 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 Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. You have come to guide us all. Sachidananda Avatara. Guide us all, lead us all. Guide us all, lead us all. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. We love you, Father, show us the way. Sachidananda Avatara. We love you, Mother, show us the way. We love you, Mother, show us the way. Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Children of Sai. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमण्यव उतोत इषवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः। यात इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः। शिवा शरव्यायातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छावदामसे यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहेगश्च सर्वाञ्जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयेमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीढुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वप अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुधे निशीर्य शल्याणां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः याते हेतुर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय व्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्रीणां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवेताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रुकाविभ्यो जिघागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षद्भ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्र्याय च शेभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरथाय च नमः शूराय चावबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूथिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिणे चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पथ्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्र्याय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नम उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च दूरे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्थ्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः शष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नम इरण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय चाभिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नम आनिर्हतेभ्यो नम आमीवत्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वेराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वेराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधेः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यधा च न शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहक्तृमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेढ्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भवा परमे वृक्ष आयुधन् निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधे सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे अस्मिन्महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेऽनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
भवानी नंदन बालगजानन भवानी नंदन बालगजानन भवानी नंदन बालगजानन भवानी नंदन बालगजानन प्रणव स्वरूपा स्वरूपा पाहि प्रणव स्वरूपा पंतिपुरीश्वर साई पंतिपुरीश्वर साई हे पंतिपुरीश्वर साई
रामचंद्र श्री राम साई रामा जय रामा साई रामा जय रामा रामचंद्र श्री राम दशरथ नंदन दयाभिरामा दशरथ नंदन दशमुख मर्दन रामा दशमुख मर्दन तापस रंजन तारक नामा तापस रंजन तारक नामा अहल्योद्धारक रामा अहल्योद्धारक रामचंद्र श्री साई रामा जय रामा रामचंद्र श्री दशरथ नंदन दयाभिरामा दशमुख मर्दन तापस रंजन तारक नामा अहल्योद्धारक रामा अहल्योद्धारक रामचंद्र श्री
ईश्वराम्बा प्रियतनया साई नारायण ईश्वराम्बा प्रियतनया साई नारायण ईश्वराम्बा प्रियतनया साई नारायण
राजराजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी राजराजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी राजराजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी राजराजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी जगदम्बे
रूपा
शरणं देवा
भज मन सीताराम
श्याम गोपाला दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु साईनाथ दीनानाथ ब्रह्मरूप गुरु साईनाथ दीनानाथ ब्रह्मरूप गुरु साईनाथ दीनानाथ ब्रह्मरूप गुरु साईनाथ दीनानाथ ब्रह्मरूप गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु अलख निरंजन भवमय वंजन 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 दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु साईनाथ गुरु साईनाथ गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु साईनाथ दीनानाथ ब्रह्मरूप गुरु साईनाथ दीनानाथ ब्रह्मरूप गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु अलख निरंजन भवमय वंदन दत्तात्रेय गुरु अलख निरंजन भवमय वंदन दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु साईनाथ गुरु साईनाथ गुरु दत्ता गुरु दत्तात्रेय गुरु चित्तराजा 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 वृंदावन घन मंगल चरणा
डम 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 डमरू बजे
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 हर भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
घन 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 घंटा बजे
घन 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 घंटा भजे
घन 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 घंटा बजे
घन 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 घंटा भजे
हर गौरीनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर गौरीनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
डम 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 डमरू बजे
डम 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 डमरू बजे
हर भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
घन 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 घंटा बजे
घन 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 घंटा भजे
हर गौरीनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर गौरीनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
हर साईनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
डम 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 डम
डमरू बजे राम राम साई रामा राम राम साई रामा राम राम साई रामा राम राम साई रामा पंथी पुरीशा साई रामा पंथी पुरीशा साई रामा पंथी पुरीशा साई रामा पंथी पुरीशा साई रामा राम राम साई रामा राम राम साई रामा मधुर मनोहर सुंदर मधुर मनोहर सुंदर मधुर मनोहर सुंदर मधुर मनोहर सुंदर श्यामल कोमल नयन भिरा श्यामल कोमल नयन भिरा श्यामल कोमल नयन भिरा श्यामल कोमल नयन भिरा
नारायण तू पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तू सिद्धबोध तू कंठ विनायक सविता पावक तू सविता पावक तू ब्रह्मवत तू योग शक्ति तू यशोदा प्रभु तो रुद्र विष्णु तो राम कृष्ण तो रहे बटाओ तो रहे बटाओ तो वासुदेव ईश्वरो बधु चिदानंद हरि दो अद्वितीय तो अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव दो आत्मलिंग शिव दो आत्मलिंग शिव दो
असतो मा सत्यमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया
Om Shri Sai Ram. In order to remember Bhagavan's teachings continuously and to become worthy instruments of our Divine Master, every member has to engage in sadhana, a spiritual discipline which has to be merged with his or her day-to-day life, and every member is encouraged to make his or her family as a unit for such sadhana. Thus, with the view to qualify to become a true member of the organization, the following guidelines are to be followed. Number 1, daily meditation and prayer. Number 2, group devotional singing or prayer with family members once a week. Number 3, participation in Sai spiritual education by children of the family. Number 4, participation in community service work and other programs of the organization. Number 5, regular attendance at the center's devotional meetings. Number 6, regular study of Sri Satya Sai Baba literature. Number 7, the use of soft, loving speech with everyone. Number 8, not speaking ill of others, especially in their absence. And number 9, Narayana Seva. Practice placing a ceiling on desires. Consciously and continuously strive to eliminate the tendency to waste time, money, food, and energy, and utilize the savings for service to mankind. Jai Sai Ram.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Swami and a loving Sai Ram to all our brothers, sisters, respected elders, and children tuned in tonight. We pray that with Swami's grace, you and your families are healthy, happy, and peaceful. The announcements for this week are as follows. Gayatri Mantra chanting. We humbly ask all devotees to continue chanting the Gayatri Mantra 3 times a day. And if possible, let us all chant together at 7 p.m. 108 times. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra is one of the most potent forms of seva we can do, as it is selfless and will go to wherever it is needed, unbeknown to us. Prayers for healing. A WhatsApp group has been created to allow devotees to pray for those in need of healing or upliftment. If you have a family member, friend, or know of any person who needs prayer, please contact any of the national devotional coordinators to post the request on this group. Wheelchair Reuse Program. The National Go Green team would like to thank all devotees that have supported the wheelchair reuse program. With Swami's grace, we have now loaned out 96 wheelchairs at no cost to needy recipients. There is still a dire need for wheelchairs, as sadly the demand is becoming greater than our supply. Devotees are encouraged to continue to support this program by donating their second-hand or new wheelchairs, spreading Swami's divine love to those in need. Please do reach out to your regional Go Green champion for more details. The theme for Swami's centenary birthday year in South Africa is Sadhana, the inward path, the journey from I to we to he. Swami said that to get rid of demonic qualities, man has to embark on self-inquiry. Scriptural scholarship is of no avail in this inquiry, and the transformation must take place within. People have to ask themselves how they are using the time that has been given to them. To assist in this spiritual journey, the Sri Satya Sai Global Council of South Africa has launched an online spiritual self-audit tool that may be used to track one's progress on the spiritual path. The tool may be accessed via the link sent out with the national communications. 2026 South African Pilgrimage. We are delighted to announce that pre-registration for the Sri Satya Sai Global Council South Africa Pilgrimage to Prashanthi Nilayam, taking place from the 12th to the 16th of July 2026, is now open. This sacred 5-day pilgrimage will include 3 days of special seating and programs in the Sai Kulwant Hall, subject to confirmation from Prashanthi Nilayam. All devotees are kindly requested to complete the pre-registration form that has been shared with the national communications. The Sri Satya Sai Global Council of South Africa lovingly invites you to join your respective province in a celebration of Bhagavan Baba's centenary advent. All centers countrywide will be observing Swami's 100th birthday on the 23rd of November. KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng will also observe major public programs from the 29th to the 30th of November in KwaZulu-Natal and on the 30th of November in Gauteng. For further information on the activities occurring in your province and to register, please do refer to the national communications shared via social media and on email. We pray that you have a blessed and peaceful week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
I personally feel that World Day Heart celebration was the best in Sri Sai Institute which I had never seen in the last 50 years of medical life, and wrote 54 books. But the experience here is unique.
Dr. H.K. Chopra is the chairman, Clinical, Preventive and Non-Invasive Cardiology, Medanta Moolchand Heart Center, New Delhi. An inspirational speaker, he has authored several cardiology textbooks and led numerous global health initiatives. In September 2025, he spoke to the delegates of the Sri Satya Sai Global Cardiovascular Conference at Prashanthi Nilayam. This was his very first visit to Puttaparthi.
Experience with the blessings of the Baba is eternal. It is beyond science. And I personally feel on this occasion of World Heart Day, where the theme is don't miss a beat, it's not possible only by science alone. Science and spirituality have to integrate together. There are so many hearts we know of: anatomical heart, physiological heart, psychological heart, emotional heart, quantum heart, but there is no match to spiritual heart. Spiritual heart teaches us how to be in the sympathetic mode, and not to have sympathetic overdrive. That's very, very important. Every possible disease in you and me is because of sympathetic overdrive. So the balance is possible only by spirituality. The chanting in this institute is unexplainable. The peace in this institute, unexplainable. We are fully nourished and nurtured by love and compassion. I must give you a message in a very simple way that love and compassion are synonymous mystically, mythically, alchemically, archetypally, etymologically, bosonically, protonically, neutronically, electronically, and even at the level of the quantum soup. So love, compassion, harmony, or peace are 4 sutras of a spiritual heart. What else you want in the life? Everything is there. Whatever struggle we do in life, by having all the pains and worries and cynical behavior, hostility, and then sometimes anger, all these things we do in a sympathetic mode. And if you remain in a parasympathetic mode, we nurture love, compassion, altruism, empathy, sympathy, peace, harmony, and positive health. And make sure that not a single beat missed till the age of 90. After 90, it is God's will. So I personally believe meditation and yoga was most powerful promise to have a healthy heart by integrating spirituality in a scientific way. And that's what's happening here. It teaches us what to do and what not to do. Remember 7S and say no to it. Stress, sleep inadequacy, saturated fat, smoking, salt, sugar, always say no to it. Our objective is, if you are diabetic, control diabetes, control hypertension, control cholesterol, control obesity, and remain healthy. How it's possible? By mindset. Very important message for excellent health and success in life is 5-fold. Number 1, discipline, 50%. 25% persistence to discipline. 15% mindset. And 5% smart work. And only 5% hard work. We don't need to work very hard. Only 5%. Because everything is in a disciplined way. If you follow discipline, the life is very, very good. The message is, remember 4 Ds. Devotion, dedication, dynamism, and discipline. And remember 4H. Humanity, humility, humbleness, and the last H is humor. And then remember peace. 4 P's also. The first P represents perseverance, persistence, purification, and anything come across you, you should have that promise of performing it. If all those things are there, then life is very easy and worth living. I personally feel that World Day Health celebration was the best in Sri Sai Institute, which I had never seen in the last 50 years of medical life. I am a chief cardiologist, Delhi, and I have organized many world congresses, and I am also the former president of CSI, and also the national president of Indian Academy of Echocardiography, and also the country head of American Heart Association, and wrote 54 books. But the experience here is unique. So this unique experience of Sri Sai Institute and Center in Puttaparthi will be remembered and cherished for the rest of my life and life after life. In the last I must just give you a message, a very simple message. The message is always remain in balance. Path of love and path of compassion is path to a healthy heart. We all should know that we are what our desires are. As is our desire, so is our intent. And as is our intent, so is our deed. And as is our deed, so is our destiny. Who is the destiny maker? You yourself. Self and self of the self. Kindness in words, create confidence. Kindness in thinking, create profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. And kindness in loving creates happiness and health. No money is involved. In last, tranquility is truth. Truth is beauty. Beauty is bliss. And bliss is divine. Divinity is here. Nurture divinity on daily basis at Puttaparthi Satya Sai Institute of Higher Science.
Your impressions about the hospital, you have had the chance to see the Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Medical Sciences here.
I went to the hospital. It's total peace, calm, and very high-tech hospital. They have got robots. I saw in the cardiology department, they are robotic cardiology instruments, and I'm very happy to say so. A robotic cardiac intervention by surgeon like Dr. Anil Kumar was saying me, free of cost. I heard for the first time. Surgical intervention or mechanical interventions are very, very expensive in the northern part of India. But here everything is free. I met many patients there. And they told me very clearly, sir, no charges for anything. I personally feel, even Government of India, Minister of Science and Technology, Ministry of Health, Government of India, WHO, WHF, and including United Nations should come forward to have alliance with their hospital so that we can enhance free treatment in a highly standard manner of a global standard by integrating science and spirituality together, and that too free of cost.
This year, we are celebrating 100 years of Baba. It is the centenary celebrations of Baba. What would you like to say on this
I am
occasion?
very happy to know that centenary year, 100 years of this organization for Baba, I will say only one thing. They must keep on doing what they are doing. Their doing is very meaningful, brainstorming, mind-boggling, unimaginable, lovable, and full of compassion. The best thing I like here is there is a total serenity. It's a heavenly experience. I personally feel heaven is here, hell is also here. We just need to change our perception. So in short, I redefined health. Health is an expression of your own perceptions, your own thoughts, your own interpretations, your own experiences, and your own choices, which can be improved by coming to an organization like Sai Baba's organization, his blessings at Puttaparthi.
Beautiful, sir. I guess with so many people who are probably coming to Puttaparthi for the first time, and once they participate in the conference, once they see the hospital, it will open new dimensions in their thinking and in their approach. And probably they will take something from here which will make them look at their profession and world in a different light.
Spiritual dimension is a very powerful and promising dimension. A time has come when we need to change our perception from science to spirituality. And I'm a doctor, practicing for the last 50 years now. And I'm telling you as a scientist that spirituality is supreme. And we must follow all the 7 laws of spirituality. The first law is the law of pure potentiality and infinite possibilities. The second law is the law of giving. And the third law is the law of karma. The fourth law is the law of least effort. Fifth law is the law of intention and desire. And sixth law is the law of detachment. And the last law is the law of dharma. All are here.
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात् 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्